cut up lips, burnt face, burnt hands, blistering feet, really hot, freezing cold, no sleep, sleeping on the ground, completely out of your comfort zone, 5 days, and all for what? To visit the love of your life. Okay, day three, sunburnt, use sunblock. I forgot my hat, that's the thing. Usually I don't wear sunblock because I have a hat, but I had forgotten it. So, wear sunblock, put chapstick on, my lips hurt so bad. Last night I slept so much better. We're at this like little place where like we shared rooms, so we were a lot warmer. We actually had mattresses, and yesterday was a tough day. I could barely walk. My muscles hurt really bad, but I'm grateful. I just found out that there were people here talking behind my back, but that they were saying that it's very admirable that to meet someone that's completely themselves and unashamed to be themselves and doesn't really care what people think. And I'm just like, why would they say that? Oh yeah, maybe because I wake them up with like this little bell and like I sing with this weird accordion and I sing in this weird way, you know? So, oh, and I dress kind of fun, you know? I don't know. It's been a goal of mine to finally break free and break the rules and be myself. So I think I'm on the right track. Yeah.
¿Eso nomás?
Me encanta.
¿Sí? ¿Está bien?
Gracias. Thank you. Granadilla. Aquí lo crecen. This white part, you can peel it until it's empty, and it tastes like bread. 2 for like 33 cents.
Yeah, that was really good. What was it?
No, bella mota.
So good.
Orange, mandarin, pineapple. Yes. Sí, yes. Now we are at some hot springs where we will be entering waters that are full of minerals. After 3 days
of intense walking. This is gonna feel good. Schedule for today is a 6-hour journey, hiking from Santa Teresa to Aguascalientes, and we'll stay the night in Aguascalientes in a hostel where I'll actually meet my mom tonight at this hostel. We'll stay together, and tomorrow we'll be visiting the Grand Machu Picchu, one of the most beautiful wonders of the world. But right now I'm on break. My feet, I'm telling you, being so tired to the point where you have nothing left to do but be in the moment. So I'm just thinking, like, cut up lips, burnt face, burnt hands, blistering feet. I have my toes wrapped up. Really hot, freezing cold, no sleep, sleeping on the ground. Basically completely out of your comfort zone, 5 days, and all for what? To visit the love of your life. That's what it is. This is the same kind of humbling sacrifice that we give even to someone you're in love with. It's the same thing. It's like visiting the love of your life and traveling across the world to simply be in its presence and not even ask anything from it, just to be in its presence. That's love. That's love. That is love. One more day to go.
¿Todavía no entras al cuarto?
Sí, me iba a salir ahorita.
Ah,
Ay,
hola.
ay, qué buen chigüín.
¿Me iré a dar un paseíto?
Sí, dije yo, se me va a tardar mi hija. Qué bueno que ya llegaste, hija. Ay, me tenías muy preocupada.
video.
Ya despertamos, hoy es el mero mero día, vamos en camino a desayunar y de ahí vamos a Machu Picchu, no es Pichu. Si dices Pichu significa la cosa del hombre, así que Picchu. ¿Lista?
Lista.
How long have you been waiting for this moment?
Many 60 years.
Do you like my outfit, Mom?
I love it. Pareces princesa de Machu Picchu. De Pichu.
Mama! Enlightened. Es interesante que está en medio de todas las montañas, así que te hace sentir como que protegida.
Sientes como una overwhelming protection from the mountains,
la
rivers.
Naturaleza. Same level that we're on.
You feel protected, you feel peace, safe.
So it is said that a lot of cadavers that were found here were all females, and it's believed that they would bring them here to protect them and also to teach them. They were the chosen ones. So in a way, this was kind of like a school, you could say.
at the train station here in Aguascalientes, and we'll be on our way back to Cusco, getting on the train. Foto?
Hey, 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 hey.